Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of reasoning LLMs, a topic that's been making waves in the AI community. The core idea is enhancing large language models to excel at complex, multi-step reasoning tasks, going beyond simple question answering.
Right, it's not just about spitting out answers. It's about showing the process of arriving at those answers, right? That's a crucial distinction. So exciting.
Exactly. The article highlights four main approaches. First, there's inference time scaling, essentially giving the LLM more computational resources during inference to improve the quality of its reasoning. Think of it like giving a human more time to think through a problem. It's a clever approach.
I see. So it's not about changing the model itself, but how you use it. Like clever prompt engineering, using chain of thought prompting to guide the model's reasoning process?
Precisely. And then there's pure reinforcement learning, like in DeepSeek R10. Amazingly, they showed that reasoning can emerge as a learned behavior without any initial supervised fine-tuning. Just pure RL, using accuracy and format rewards.
Whoa, that's a significant finding. So the model essentially learns to reason on its own, just from the rewards? That's mind-blowing.
It is. But the article also points out that while fascinating, RL plus SFT, supervised fine-tuning, is generally more effective for building high-performance reasoning models. DeepSeek-R1, their flagship model, uses this combined approach. It's a powerful combination.
And the fourth approach is model distillation, where smaller models are trained on data generated by larger, more powerful models. A cost-effective way to get decent reasoning capabilities, but it relies on the existence of a strong teacher model, right?
Exactly. It's a bit like apprenticeship. You're not innovating, but you're leveraging existing knowledge efficiently. The DeepSeek team also explored this, creating smaller, more efficient versions of their R1 model. A very practical approach.
So, how does DeepSeek R1 compare to OpenAI's OM1? The article mentions they're in the same ballpark, but DeepSeek R1 is more efficient at inference time. Interesting.
Yeah, that's a key takeaway. It suggests that OpenAI might be relying more on inference time scaling for OM1, while DeepSeek focused more on the training process itself. But it's hard to say definitively because OpenAI hasn't revealed much about OM1's architecture or training details. It's frustrating, you know?
Totally. It's like comparing apples and oranges without knowing what kind of oranges we're talking about. The article also discusses the cost of training these models, millions of dollars for DeepSeek R1, but there are some more budget-friendly approaches mentioned, like SkyT1 and TinyZero.
Yes, SkyT1, trained for just $450, shows that impressive results are possible with smaller, targeted fine-tuning. And TinyZero, a 3B parameter model using pure RL, demonstrates that even small models can exhibit emergent reasoning abilities. It's inspiring. It shows that you don't need massive resources to contribute to this field.
Absolutely. The article also mentions journey learning, an alternative to traditional SFT that includes incorrect solution paths in the training data. This seems like a promising approach for improving robustness and self-correction.
It does. It's a really interesting idea, and it highlights the ongoing evolution of techniques for building and improving reasoning LLMs. The field is moving so fast. It's incredible.
It really is. So in summary, we've covered four main approaches to building reasoning LLMs. Inference time scaling, pure RL, RL plus SFT, and distillation. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best approach depends on the specific goals and resources available.
Precisely. And the exciting part is that the field is still rapidly evolving. We're seeing innovative approaches like journey learning emerge, and budget-friendly alternatives like SkyT1 and TinyZero demonstrate that significant progress is possible, even with limited resources. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.